This module is designed to cover 3 of the key benefits that Nutriquire can deliver when used as either an in-furrow or a foliar treatment. These benefits are phosphorus and potassium efficiency enhancement, nutrient catalyst capabilities, and competitive exclusion. One of the biggest factors that contributes to phosphorus tie-up is soil pH. Here, you will see an example of how phosphorus becomes bound in low pH soil on the left-hand side of the screen and in high pH soil on the right-hand side of the screen. As you can see, when phosphorus is applied, it can bind to either a metal, like aluminum or iron, or it can bind to calcium in a high pH situation. Once this occurs, phosphorus is no longer in the inorganic phase and has converted to organic phos, or rock phosphate, which means it's no longer available for the plant to utilize. Through the addition of specialized bacteria in Nutriquire, we can help unlock that phosphorus. Our bacteria release organic acids and enzymes that will temporarily help neutralize the pH around where the phos is tied up and ultimately release it, making it available for interception to the root and then to be able to get utilized by the plant. So now that we've talked about how Nutriquire can assist in unlocking existing tied up phosphorus, let's shift gears and talk about how this product can help when applying new additional fertilizer. One of the biggest strengths this product has is its ability to work as a catalyst, which essentially means it can help expedite the transition of your applied fertilizer into plant usable forms. As we know, most synthetic N, P, and K are not applied in a plant usable form. Much of this conversion relies on your natural soil microbes. Nutriquire bacteria have the ability of accelerating that conversion of N, P, and K to more plant usable forms. Accelerating this conversion allows more of those nutrients to be utilized by the plant versus losing them to environmental factors. Here's an example of an NDVI image taken on a field that used Nutriquire in conjunction with their 624 starter fertilizer program. Notice how much additional foliage the southern half of the field, which was treated by Nutriquire, contains. A big part of this was due to the ability of Nutriquire to convert the N, P, and K in that starter fertilizer to usable forms quickly, allowing the plants to get off to a great start. The last benefit we're going to talk about in this module is the ability of Nutriquire to perform competitive exclusion. Competitive exclusion is the rule of nature that states 2 species competing for the same resource cannot coexist. In agriculture, we like to look at this in 2 separate ways: food and real estate. And we're going to start with food. Bacteria break down dead organisms, animal waste, and plant waste to obtain nutrients. This is essentially their food source, and we're going to symbolize that with these little cheeseburgers. Now, negative bacteria want to consume that food source as quickly and aggressively as possible so they can then start to reproduce and create more negative bacteria. They will try to continue this cycle as much as possible, which can result in an unbalanced microbial population, leading to plant pathogens later in the season. The goal of Nutriquire is that when food becomes available, we want our specialized bacteria to consume it as quickly as possible to try to starve out the negative bacteria. If we can do this, populations of those negative bacteria will begin to diminish until ultimately our positive microbial community can dominate the rhizosphere of the plant. If you want to find out more information, you can visit our website at www.yieldmastersolutions.com.